Can you tell what type of day it's gonna be? A Disney day it's gonna be. Yay, there's Tigger. Disney day it's gonna be.
Your love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
Good morning, guys. It is one of those lovely Central Florida days. It's like gonna be in the 70s or 80s today, and I woke up and I was like, let's do Animal Kingdom. So that's what we're doing today. That's what we're doing, and I'm pretty excited. I think I say this every time we go to Disney. I'm pretty excited. I'm super excited. I am. Every day that I can go to Disney, I can wake up and be like, I'm gonna go to Disney today because the weather is nice. Is a blessing. There's people that kind of have to plan a once-a-year trip or once-in-a-lifetime trip, so that is like easily accessible. I'm pretty appreciative and pretty blessed. So yeah, so you're gonna see us throughout the day. I'll keep updating you, and like I said, put on our outfits and let's go. I'm going very orange. The boys are following me with like an orange theme. We're just trying to figure out the shorts. But literally, this is how Disney coordination stuff goes. They're not doing the orange like I'm doing. They doing like a different tone of orange. But yeah, this is how we coordinate when we go to the park. Alright guys, we've been at the park a million times and never had the pleasure of seeing these beautiful performers that look like vines. So look how cool that is. She's so beautiful. And you can come and take pictures. And she moves ever so often, but it's really cool. Decided to stop in Tiffin's, which is a restaurant we haven't been in like a long time. But it's really good. It's usually kind of like quiet, especially like lunchtime. A lot of people head to Asia. What's the name of the one? The Yak and Yeti? Yak and Yeti. Or the Rainforest Cafe. Yeah, I don't know what the name. But so we're gonna eat now. Baby's sleeping. We lucked out. We're gonna get some drinks. We're eating the bread service right now. Why are you surprised by this?
Presentation, you're looking at it, you're like, it kind of looks just like a...
Pretty simple?
Like a tortilla. Like a tortilla.
But it's savory.
But when you taste it, you really see why they say it's a bread.
Yeah.
It's good.
So I'm gonna eat now because I'm hungry. We had boiled eggs for breakfast this morning, so we'll keep checking in. Finished the bread service pretty much. We're down to the last bite. Dan has made a hack. So to all the Caribbean people, listen to this hack.
Oh. So this one, I'm not sure.
Look at the top. Show the top of it. The top of the ones, the top of the bread, so they can kind of. It's like I don't know what they call it. It's kind of
sweet, but like if you taste it, to me immediately, from I smell it, I was like, it smell like bun, or like spice bun. But what's funny is like once you eat this, especially if you top it
with this, it's like a chutney. It's like a, I don't know what type of fruits. I'm not really that great at it, but it's a nice little sweet chutney. Sweet, kind of a little spicy.
Yeah, this really gives you, like you're like, oh, if they call this spice bun, you'd really understand why. It's like a slightly, not, when people say spicy, they always mean like hot, not like hot, but
yeah,
like
you're not like
spicy.
burning off your lips.
Yeah, in no way like pepper hot, but like spicy. Like you feel that quick spark or spike of like more than cinnamon, more like I don't want to describe the wrong one and it's gonna sound gross, but trust me, this once you taste this, you'll understand why we call it like spice one.
All spicy too?
No, but I understand why.
But it's like it has like a flavor, like a rounded flavor.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah. Baby enjoyed one of the.
There's one that's really
it's like a chip, like a tortilla.
Almost comes out like a tortilla.
Yeah, this is it. We have remnants of it. It has like these seeds and textures to them.
So at first when you see it, you're gonna be like, yo,
yeah,
there's a
this can't-
tortilla
yeah,
and
this
giving
can't
me
be
like
that good,
a chip.
But he really likes it.
But you really taste why they call it a bread once you taste it.
And then there was a paratha that I enjoyed. Dan really didn't. You're not gonna eat it, babe? I had some.
Oh, that's for you.
Aww, that's for me. Oh, our drinks. This is the shimmering margarita. And then this is the...
Good luck. It starts with an A.
Aizang or something other. I'll add the
Zing.
names in the description, guys. Yeah.
So there's a couple of drinks that come with this. So I think we've had a drink in the past that had the little shimmering light, which funny enough we didn't take home.
Yeah, we don't have this in our collection.
We normally take home the little ice things. So when Lisa saw it, she was like, "Oh, we've had this before," but it doesn't taste familiar. In a good way. It's you can definitely taste the guava, but if you're somebody that doesn't like guava, I usually tell people when they say they don't like guava, they don't like cooked guava, like they don't like baked goods, like turnovers that have guava in them and things like that. So this is a more, I wouldn't say muted, because you're definitely going to taste the guava in it. Sorry, I keep saying guava. Definitely going to taste the passion fruit in this. But it's not a, it's not overbearing with this. And also something that's going to turn you off is the first thing you're going to read is you're going to see that it says gin. None of the things you associate with gin is in the drink. You just have to know that you're drinking it like gin.
Yes, it is mealtime. Like, wow. That's all I can say. Presentation is amazing. This is the 50th anniversary veal.
What does it say? Brea? What is it?
What is it?
Spice Brea or something like
Brea,
that?
it's a spice. I will insert the name of it in the description.
Yeah.
So this is a special for today.
Phonetically put in the comment section how to pronounce that.
And then Dan is eating
The short rib,
we're
which
actually
is-
switching.
Yeah.
We're gonna switch plates, but I wanted you to see the presentation of this. The short rib has cauliflowers and again this beautiful onion that's here. I think this is polenta on this plate, and that looks amazing. And oyster mushrooms. Super excited to try both of them.
I gotta say one thing. So just check wait times. Don't assume.
Yeah.
Because we usually do the opposite. We'll go to Tiffin's Lounge and just kind of
The Nomad Lounge, yes.
The Nomad Lounge, sorry. And the line looked crazy over there. There was no space.
There's no space. There was
And then
waiting.
our
Yeah.
party is small, but looking inside
Yeah.
here, like the lady was, she looked at me, she looked around, she's like, "How big is your party?" And I was like, "It's like two of us and a baby." And she's like, "I can get you in right now, but
Yeah.
I need
Thank
your
you.
whole party."
Let's dig in, okay? Alright, so this is the wine fights with
This one, these I know are from Argentina,
Argentina, South Africa,
South
and
Africa,
Chile.
This is the lightest one. This is medium, and this is a full body.
This is, we switched, this is short rib, tenderloin, both amazing. Out of Dan's sides, the polenta, absolutely the best polenta I've ever had.
Yeah.
Short rib is just really soft and like juicy, nice and tender. Anything you want to talk about on your end, or are you just enjoying your food right now?
Short rib is really good, but I would say there's not too many different ways that short rib is normally good.
I've had
So
bad
it's
short
very
rib.
familiar.
I've had bad short rib.
No, but I mean like good short rib. It's not like they've reinvented anything. It's not a new thing. It's a very familiar.
Are you being a hater right now?
I guess so. If you've had good short rib, this is very much good short rib.
I think he's being a hater, guys. I think he's really being a hater when it comes to my short rib. But it's okay because it's good and I'm enjoying it now.
Sometimes familiar is awesome. I'm just saying, don't try it and put in your mind like, oh, I'm gonna. Like if you've had really good short rib, that you're about to have something new because you're gonna have really good short rib. The veal, I would say, is something unique though. That's all.
How many of you have children that look at you like they don't trust you? Because this little boy, if I'm trying to feed him and he's like, I don't want that, he looks over me like he doesn't trust me. I don't like that. We gotta work on that. So this is the Black History Month dessert at Tippin's. This is the peach cobbler rum cake. I usually don't like cooked fruit. Don't ask me why. Don't get in complicated.
But you love
Do not
ackee.
start.
Ackee is a fruit.
That is the one exception, okay? But this, I'm excited to try it. So I told them I say excited a lot. So yeah, let's go. Let's try it.
I like the design. The presentation is really nice.
Yeah, it is really nice.
I'm not sure what the crumble is, but it looks really well placed.
Oh yeah, they look like little.
And then those little things
meringues,
remind me of meringues, right?
Yeah. Right. So it's cold. I didn't think I was expecting it to be cold.
You think it's too cold?
It's just cold. I think I was not expecting that. Yeah, I just wasn't expecting that.
I wouldn't expect that because of the ice cream. I would think they were doing the whole hot and cold, but cobbler, I thought it was gonna come cold.
The ice cream is amazing. Let's try the peach cobbler. Part again. Second bite is a little better, but there's like a flavor I don't really like.
So yeah, Lisa's not very impressed, but let's see how this tastes.
What happened, Mama? What happened?
Okay. So first bite was a lot of peach, not a lot of cobbler. Wow. Yeah. It's weird because I was picking on Lisa's like commentary on this, but second bite, much better. The meringues, excellent. But I think the second
What are the
bite
meringue
I got
flavors?
more.
I don't know. I don't think they have a flavor. They're just nice and purple.
Yeah, I don't know. Purple?
Purple flavor?
Yeah.
Like Kool-Aid? When you say, oh, the red Kool-Aid.
When we were growing up and like we'd say purple drink.
Yeah.
Once you get the actual like rum cake part, it's really good. The first bite, right? So when you think cobbler, you're thinking like almost like
Is it cobbler usually
weird,
warm too?
like you're thinking like on the top. This is like the cake is here, and then it's encased in fruit. So your first whole bite can just end up being nothing but fruit. Which, if you're not like super into the peach, can be a little meh. But then you get the second bite and you dig in and you get more ice cream. You can get more
Baby likes the ice cream.
more ice cream, more cake, more the rum flavor, and not just the like cooked fruit peach. And then it's exceptional. Let's take a look around real quick.
You guys look like you're both close to This is nice. So I'm waiting for the bartender to give me the name. Okay. What was your worst critic? This is very nice. Yours, I can't believe it.
There's our server, by the way.
Myself, I'll have to wait.
Alex is exceptional. I hope I did that well enough. And I'm not giving you like all shaky hands and shaky cams.
It's okay. I've seen people with shit. So now, guys, I want to head to the Lion King. I'm pulling up to see when the times are. I think you'll like it, but it might be intense because I remember when Adam went the first time.
I don't know if he's gonna like it.
I think, like, I don't know. So should we not do it?
I'm not wishing on it, but what I think he's not gonna like about it is live music. He's not been a fan of live music so far because there's something about it being loud. He's just like, that's too much.
Yeah, that is true. But this one is interactive. Alright, guys, so this is the bill. This is our bill with Tiffins. We had the 50th specialty cocktail. That was the shimmering cocktail, which I have a little bit left. The Annapurna Lotus, that's what Dan had. We had the bread service. The kids' tacos, the holiday dessert, that was the Black History Month dessert, with the peach cobbler. We did the short rib, the 15th anniversary entree, which was the veal. We did 2 wine flights, and then we get a 10% annual food discount. So the total was $224.93.
Everything was good, but do you think was overpriced? Was worth it? Was like a great value?
When you really think about it, individual pours of wine can be anything from, if you're lucky, $11 to like $15, $16. So the flights are really good. It's like you're getting a variety of. You're getting probably like a good 1 3/4 pour. So $27 per flight is a really good price. Then we got our discount. We used to have Tables of Wonderland. It was 20% off the whole bill, and that included alcohol and everything. The annual pass does not include alcohol. So we did maybe about $70 worth of alcohol, so that makes a difference when it comes to your bill. Yeah, but the 10% is better than nothing. It definitely does cover a bit of the tip, so we do enjoy the annual pass discount. Yeah, I'm full. I enjoyed our meal. I am ready for either Kilimanjaro Safari, which right now is a 50-minute wait, so I don't know if we're gonna actually wait for that this trip. We got on the line at 2:18. It's a 30-minute standby wait. How many minutes do you really think it's gonna be? We're gonna vote.
28 minutes.
28 minutes. 28 minutes, babe. Really? Not that specific? I'm gonna say 25 minutes. Look at him with his water bottle. That was a long trek. A long trek from Pandora to Africa. They're gonna leave you if you don't run. Run, 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 run.
Here do tend to be very shy, so we are going to be on the lookout for them in the very back behind the bushes. Now, as we enter on in, we're going to look on the right side for the okapi. And the okapi is going to have legs, and they're going to look like a zebra, but they're actually the closest living relative to the giraffe.
So that was super fun. Kellan enjoyed it. It seems like it. I think that's pretty much all the activities we're going to do today. These are so scary looking. That's beautiful. That one is $355.99. So one year Dan and I came and we were like, oh my god, we're going to buy one of these. And we just literally could not afford it. As we're older, maybe we will invest in some art from the Lion King. So the last thing to do before you leave the park is always empty your bladder. Trams can take long, buses can take long, ferries can take long and all that stuff. So make sure you use the bathroom, or traffic in Orlando can take long. So make sure you use the bathroom. That's what we're doing now. And then we're gonna head out. But I'm hoping we can pass through Asia and like the Everest section, Expedition Everest section, because they have the kite thingy. I don't remember the name of it, but yeah, it's that performance thing. So I'm hoping that maybe we'll get to see one performance of it. So we're gonna pass through that way before we leave and see. Maybe we could, you know, feature something in this vlog.
We are the drum. We are the drum. Africa to America. We are the drum. We are the drum. Oh, we are the drum. Africa to America. We are the drum.
We are the drum beat of today, imprinted with the same rhythmic beats rooted in Mother Africa.
Yeah, the heartbeat and soul of Africa for centuries.
The same rhythm used as language for communication.
Sending messages between villages in Africa.
Just like the emails of today.
They're not hacking their messages.
We are the drum.
Oh, the fries are over here. It's here. Let's see. I think it's here. The one on the right, Mr. Kamal. Let's see if they still have it. Yes, they do. I'm gonna go over there. Alright, we're still eating, guys. Alright, so we got the chicken dumplings. 3 chicken dumplings. Oh, I forgot the receipt. Because then I could have told you the price. Chicken dumplings and then an order of the Mr. Kamal's fries. Seasoned fries.
They're different. I like the fries without the thing on it.
So it has 2 dipping sauces. One is like a chili. I think one might have been a.
Masks fully covering your mouth and nose are required when
What is that?
indoors.
This is only straight
Wash
fire,
your
right?
hands often and cover your mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing. Thank you for your
What
cooperation.
is that?
It's like paprika sauce.
It's not tamarind, but I don't like it. It's not very pleasant, in my opinion. So, these are the fireplace that you can eat on like a really nice day. And when it's packed, all these tables are filled. But like on a nice chill day, you'll be able to get seating over here. It's not the same. I used to really love it was like a tzatziki sauce, like a white cream sauce with
Small
cucumber.
bits of like cucumber on top
Yeah,
of it.
tzatziki sauce. But then there was like a nice little like red pepper, like not red peppers, but like a red like pepper sauce. Fire. Because the combination of the 2 of them, it was like a cool, refreshing, and then like the spice.
This is definitely a paycheck thing.
They still have sauces, so it's not like they're getting, you know, but maybe the prep for it might have been a little more. Found a really cool spot underneath the zoo spot over here. It's nice and shaded in the evening. Here's where everyone is sitting. Fewer people here. This is where they land.
It's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all the time.